Bonjour. In this lesson, we are learning about nouns found in school, masculine nouns found in school, masculine noun, non masculin, and then at school is à l'école, à l'école. So you are going to name some of the items found in school in French. What are their names in French? And you can repeat the pronunciation after me. Un stylo, un stylo, un stylo, un stylo is a pen. Un stylo is a pen. Remember, an is a, which is male. It is put before, you place it before a male noun. And then the pen is lo stylo. The pen is lo stylo. Therefore, we have un stylo, un stylo, un stylo, un crayon. Un crayon is a pencil. Un crayon, un crayon, un crayon. Un cahier, un cahier, un cahier. That's a notebook or an exercise book. Un cahier. Un livre, un livre, un livre. That is a book, a textbook. A textbook. Un tableau, un tableau, un tableau. Un tableau is a board. It can be un tableau noir, that is blackboard, or un tableau blanc, whiteboard, a whiteboard or a blackboard, but un tableau is a board. Un bureau, un bureau, un bureau, un bureau is an office. Un bureau is an office. Un bureau. Un sac, un sac, un sac is a bag. Un sac. Un cartable, un cartable. Un cartable is a school bag. Un cartable, un cartable, un cartable. Un pupitre, un pupitre is a desk. Un pupitre is a desk. Un pupitre is a desk. Un professeur is a teacher. Un professeur is a teacher. Un dictionnaire is a dictionary. Un dictionnaire, un dictionnaire, un dictionnaire. Un projecteur, un projecteur, un projecteur, un projecteur. Un projector is a projector. Un examen, un examen, un examen, un examen is an exam. Un examen, un examen, un exam, un examen, un exam. Un tableau blanc, un tableau blanc, un tableau blanc, that is a white board. And if it was black, it would have been un tableau noir. Un tableau noir, white or black. Un tableau noir. Un tableau noir, un tableau blanc. Blanc is white, noir is black. Un marqueur, un marqueur. Un marqueur is a whiteboard marker. A whiteboard marker. Un marqueur, that's a marker. The one that we write with. We write with on the board. That is un marqueur. Un couloir. Un couloir is a corridor. Un couloir. Un couloir. Un couloir is a corridor. Un gymnase. Un gymnase. Un gymnase is gymnasium. Is gymnasium. There are also these nouns that start with a vowel. Some of these male nouns that start with a vowel. In school, we have un élève. Un élève. Un élève is a student. Un élève is a student. Un élève is a student. Un emploi du temps. Un emploi du temps. Un emploi du temps is a timetable. A timetable. Un emploi du temps. Un emploi du temps. Un ordinateur. Un ordinateur is a computer. Un ordinateur is a computer. We have looked at an examen. An examen is an exam. Un exercice. An exercice is an exercise. An exercice is an exercise. Un institut. An institut. An institut. An institute, that's institute. An institute, that's institute. An uniform. An uniform. An uniform is uniform. Uniform. Uniform is uniform. An outil. An outil. An outil is a tool. An outil is a tool. Un enseignant. Un enseignant is a teacher. Un enseignant. An enseignant is a teacher. Un amphithéâtre. Amphithéâtre. Un amphithéâtre. An amphithéâtre, that's a lecture hall. An amphithéâtre. Remember, an élève, a student. How do you say the student? The student is l'élève, l'élève. And if it is plural, we said the plural of an is des. So if you want to write it in plural, you write des élèves, like that. Des élèves, you write it as, okay, this is des, it becomes des. DOS and then élève with S. It S, des élèves. And this one, the plural of l'apostrophe is les, LOS, and then you write élève with S. Élève with S. So those are some of the male nouns found in school. Continue looking for more from your dictionaries and how their pronunciation in French. So that is the end of our lesson. Remember to subscribe, you like, you comment, and you share. Merci et au revoir.